Two dealers X and Y selling the same model of refrigerator mark them under same selling price. X gives a successive discount of 25% and 5% and Y gives successive discount of 16% and 12%. From whom is it more profitable to purchase the refrigerator? Here, selling price is same. So just find the net discount. Here successive discount of 2 means just use the net discount formula, which is equal to A plus B plus AB by 100. Now find the net discount for X and Y. Here net discount for X is equal to successive discounts are 25 and 5. Discount means minus. So minus 25 minus 5 plus minus 25 into minus 5 divided by 100. Now which is equal to minus 30. Minus 25 into minus 5 will become plus 125. Plus 125 100 is equal to plus 1.25. So which is equal to 28.75. So minus 28.75 means discount of 28.75%. So net discount for Y is equal to successive discounts are 16 and 12. So minus 16 minus 12 plus minus 16 into minus 12 divided by 100, which is equal to minus 16 minus 12 is equal to minus 28. Minus 16 into minus 12 is equal to plus 192. Plus 192 by 100 is equal to plus 1.92. So this will become 26 minus 26.08% means discount of 26.08%. Here discount for X is more. So more profitable is from X. So X give more profit. More profitable to customers is equal to more discount. So option B is your answer.